Okay, this is called Rua da Escola Nautica, the Nautica school. So we're gonna walk down it. There's kind of cool stuff right here, and some shipping as well. And you gotta be careful if people are coming through as well. I'm right in the middle of the road there. Okay, we'll come back and we'll start filming. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua da Escola Nautica. This has kind of moved back a little bit. I think we have a lot of cars coming. No, thankfully no. There's barbed wire right here, and I think it's because there's like an immigration thing right there. Because this goes out to the, not immigration, but they have shipping stuff, right? So all those freighters come in. So we're kind of by the Nautica school, and we're gonna kind of walk down it. Got some really cool artwork around here too, like that one. I'm just kind of come in a little bit. I'm gonna walk in a little bit. Oh, these ones are interesting because these are for flooding. For the typhoons come in September, they put these up here and they build up this way so the water can come this high without going in, and then of course they can still keep building more too. I've been meaning to show you that. I haven't shown it to you in a while. Sometimes I see them, but that's a pretty good example because this area will get flooding with typhoons. There's a ship coming in over there. I can hear it. So okay, so we're gonna explore this street. It's kind of removed slightly. Looks like a lot of people just kind of parked their bikes in here. Got some great artwork back here. I'll focus on that one in a minute. It says Macau, Hong Kong Terminal. So I think that's where like freight comes in. It's all the way down. And then in here you have little shops for one. And then you also have these little self-contained things in here. I don't know what you call them. World apartments and residential apartments, and also a bunch of companies. Let me see what this is real quick. Taobao order shop. Okay, so you just order Taobao right there. So I guess it's stuff like that. Yeah, it's like a whole little world. And this isn't the only one. There's quite a few in this area. I mean, of the streets. It's like a big city block, basically, is what it is. More of our artwork. Well, same artwork, but you can see it from a different angle. Workshop. Got more artwork. We'll see more of that because we're going to walk all the way down the street, but we are going to kind of go into some of these little shibitoris or whatever you call them. You get more of these. The C+ food since 2016. Stepped in some water there somehow. Huh, I think I know how. I just splashed, I got some water on my leg. I think it's from, I don't even know. Sometimes you step on certain things and they'll push water out. Okay, let's keep on walking. We got some more artwork over here. Kind of freighter stuff, right? Engineering, it's an engineering company. Another one of these. Ooh, the Uji Mart Cafe had a different name not too long ago. It's kind of a cool looking bar, has a 1950s Americana theme. Got somebody washing the bike. There's more artwork right there. Another bat. Just kind of capture this whole street now. So yeah, that whole thing just brings in freight, right? There's a forklift driver right there. Not a driver, but a vehicle. And now you can see some of the shipping stuff out there too, right? You can barely see it, that red. Some freights. Another one of these. So this whole block is kind of filled with that, right? So there's another one. And we're gonna come over to the end, and I think this is where the Nautica school is at, the Escola that this name of the street is named after. And it looks like this whole little, it's like kind of goes like this, right, in like in a block. It goes around the city block. So I think this whole block has the same name. Let's see if I can get out here. I think that's the Nautica school right there. Yeah, same name. Rua da Escola Nautica. And you can kind of see some of the apartments look like, right? So yeah, to the blue is the Nautica school, and I think what we're gonna do is we'll try to walk in front of it. We're still on the same street anyway, so why not, right? That was behind me, a little shipping. You can see the freight stuff that brings stuff onto shore. Some construction, all kinds of stuff in here. There's a black pig. I did another video recently where I did the black pig. It's just like one theme, but somebody else recognized it right away and said, oh yeah, that's a good restaurant. And it is. I think that guy is kind of well known. We'll see if we can get a little closer to that before we focus on the Nautica school. So now we're kind of on this main street. I wanted to show you that anyways, just to put everything in context. And I believe this is the owner, Chef Fernando Rodriguez. That's the name. And that's the black pig right there. Casa de Puerto Rico. And that's the restaurant right there. So yeah, the black pig. Then we're also going to go back over here, the Nautica one as well. And this one is well, this is the Escola de. So that was kind of this whole street right here. So this whole thing right here goes all the way down and around to this school right here. So we're gonna just kind of put it more in context by going around the school a little bit. There you go. Escola. It's a school for pilots, I guess. Ship pilots. Is that the Portuguese word for boat captains or something? Anyways. And then you have more waterfront stuff, so we'll probably film over there too for other videos. Just give you a little context. That's a cool looking space. And that was a little area that we went down, so we're basically on this major road right here next to the school. We went down that Rua da Escola Nautica, and we'll end it right here. Chiquinha.